Vishnu continued, "No matter what else, they cannot be destroyed. The man who always sees Shiva from his body, speech and mind is a Vedic man. He is a pious soul. He is blessed. He is wise. O Maharshi, know that all sins are destroyed by worshipping Shiva. Even the infinite number of Brahma killing and great sins will be destroyed by the remembrance of Shiva. I say this as truth. Those who board the ship called Shivanama will cross this ocean of samsara, and undoubtedly all the sins will be destroyed. O great sage, surely with the acts of Shiva's name, the evil spirits that are the cause of samsara will be destroyed. For those who are suffering from the wildfire of sin, Shivanama is the only drink of death. For such people, there is no other way out. Those who are nourished by the abundant drops of the nectar of Shiva's name cannot grieve even if they are caught in the wildfire of samsara. There is no doubt about this. Those who are always immersed in the passions and hatreds will never develop devotions to Shiva. Those who are devoted to Shiva will soon attain liberation from all kinds of sufferings. Only one who has performed penance in many births will develop devotion to Shiva. Lord Shiva, the Lord of Parvati. Even if there is devotion to Shankara, if that devotion is general like that of other deities, it is in vain. That is, that devotion should not be based on anyone else but only on Shiva. I believe that whoever has devotion to Lord Shiva alone will attain salvation very easily. Even if one has committed many sins, if one has devotion to Shiva, then he will certainly be freed from all sins. Just as trees in a forest are burned to ashes when caught in a forest fire, so too will all the sins of those who believe in Shiva as their destiny be burned to ashes. Whoever constantly smears his body with ashes becomes pure, becomes devoted to the worship of Shiva, will cross this vast and terrifying ocean of samsara. The ancients, having examined all the Vedas, determined that worship of Shiva was the only way to break this bondage of samsara. Therefore, from today onwards, with great care, in auspiciousness, and with the reward of effort, daily worship that Shankara who is the consort of Parvati, who is always auspicious with devotion. Rub ashes on your body from your feet to your head and chant the 6-syllabled mantra Om Namah Shivaya as enjoined in all the Vedas. Wear Rudrakshas, which are extremely dear to Lord Shiva, with great devotion and in accordance with the rituals on all parts of the body, along with chanting mantras. Always listen to the stories of Shiva. Always describe the stories of Shiva. Again and again, make an effort to worship the devotees of Shiva. Shiva Purana will be continued in the next episode. If you like this video, please comment Om Namah Shivaya in the comment section, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.